Hey gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room. I'm just unboxing this shipment here from Mcmaster car. I ripped open the back, already. Item 1. 1 inch by 1.5 inch by 6 inch 6061 T6. Important. Coming up. Next project. Biggest part of it. And second on that order, 080 Allen black oxide 1 inch thread length. Where else but Mcmaster car you're going to find 080 Allen screws black oxide with a 1 inch thread length? Tell me where. Yeah. Chirp, chirp, chirp. Yeah, that's right. Not many places. And well, that was 3 on the packing list. 2 on the packing list, the bolts. Right? Allen screws. Number 3. You see them? 080 nuts. Steel. I've been having trouble finding them in steel until I looked in my Mcmaster car catalog. Anyway, I ordered this yesterday in the morning, about 9 a.m. Admittedly, it was in the morning, about 9 a.m. It arrived today, 2 p.m. UPS. When Mcmaster car says overnight, they mean overnight. I love them. Yes, I do. Well, I'm going to go now. I just wanted to show you that stuff. This block of aluminum is going to show up in about 1.5 minutes in the next video. Well, in the next video, which starts in 1.5 minutes, I should say. Good night from California. Stay safe. Get vaccinated. Wear your mask.